fam. This is a cool song, but I'm not going to tell you the name of it. It's poop. Okay, you know what? Can we just get into the video?
Gosh, I am drawing an anime octopus.
You know what? Wolfichu is 1,000 times anime old than you.
She's not anime.
Wolfichu is anime.
I don't think so.
Seriously, have you ever watched old videos, noob?
Wolfichu is very anime.
Okay, can we just,
Not my kind of anime.
Okay, recommended. Flamingo sings Baby Shark. What? What? What even is that? Not going to watch that, but maybe I will later. Do you guys want me to watch that? Whatever that is. Whatever masterpiece that is. Okay, guys, this is official Glanny anthem made by the Glannies. I think Glanny is dating Baldy, not clickbait. Not all Glanny, the other Glanny. Okay, why is this lagging? Do I need to like exit out of everything? I am pretty cool. I am pretty cool. Okay, so today we're making Glanny one with the nature. All Glanny, not the other Glanny. And now we need to get her in her famous Butterblood suit. If you guys did not know, the Butterblood suit is something that's being bought on Kogama a lot. It's a dress. Boy! Do you guys like this song? It's called Memes. That's the
Octopus Fairy Princess. Not that. That's a whale.
Okay. Okay, but I'm not even joking. That's the actual title of the song.
What?
Memes. Just memes. Oh.
I see it. Look at my thing. Look, it's a unicorn. Then it changes to I'm so happy I could fart rainbows. And then it goes back. And look, you don't get anything on your hands.
Like, can I try?
Yeah, look, you go. Okay, now go up.
As you guys can see, I'm not a very good artist. I'm so happy I can help.
You have to be, like, you have to get the technique down.
I'm so happy I can help, but I can fault bows. I'm so happy I can fault your mom. Okay, yeah, let's just get on with the video, guys.
A technique I like to use is the pen. So this one's very good.
Can you make one that says, I'm so happy I can fault bows?
Wait, I'll try and make a picture that says I'll try and use it and spell it out. That says.
Wait, she's one with nature.
I guess you just kind of take a bunch of sequins and you make them double-sided and you color on it.
If you guys like this Kogama avatar, just let me guys know. Archie has never really played Kogama.
I'm so.
And then this is just gonna be the battle suit which is accidentally sandstone right now, but that's a twist. That is one with nature. Now all we need to do is take a pic. Also, if you guys like this boy, that's the Tolus. Instead of guest like Roblox, their name is Tolus. Also, you guys do not need to download Kogama to play it. Completely free. All you need to do is just remove the lane and make it I'm so happy I can fall bows.
Like hair bows?
Yeah, like just you are bows.
Look, I'm so happy I could fight. Wait, I'll do it. What you want to do now?
Anyways, guys, this video is featuring Andrea's Queen.
Yeah.
So let's name this Glanny Becomes One with Nature. All Glanny. Her name is right here on the screen if you guys want to go ahead and add her as a friend. Let's change the status on this game to let me like this. I'm so happy I could fall hail bows. Okay guys, that is Glanny Girl's status. If you guys really feel like adding her as a friend, you can. Let's friend request Fault. Invite Do you guys ready to see the final project?
It's not ready yet.
Fun game. Game from Roblox. Pet Simulator.
Are you ready? I'm so happy I could fart bows. Dun,
Wait, you should release that as like an official audio.
Ready? I got rubber band.
Yo, okay, you should release that song as Audrey memes since that was the original title. Okay, guys, bye. Let's make a new outro.